Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Technical Kings. Today, in my plumbing video, I will show you steamer connections as input and output. Steamer input is below at the bottom of steamer. This is fusion process through which I am connecting. I have set my machine temperature at 270 degrees. Voltage is good. Now both surfaces are ready to connect. Now connect. At the input, I am connecting union thread part towards steamer input. Here vertically, I am connecting output water supply, an enlarged straight without any bend for air for the steamer. 40 millimeters is steamer input line, which is coming from water tank. Lastly, the below 40 millimeters is overflow of water tank, which I have connected with drainage line. Reduced line is steamer output of hot water. Friends, like, comment, and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.